Hi there, Dr. Wolfe here, going to share a brief tutorial of creating a dictionary object in Python. This is pretty simple. It's great for name value pairs. We come across these pretty often for working with data structures and such. So very easy. Just create a variable name. I'm going to create this dictionary called colors, and I'm going to set it equal to, and I'm going to use the curly braces, and I'm going to have name value pairs of colors. So color 1 is going to be inside quotation marks. We're working with string data, character data here, and we're going to say that's red. Okay. We're going to do, after our color red, we're going to do another one, color 2, and we're going to call that blue. And we'll do a third color, and we'll call that color orange. So what you see is the name on the left side and the value on the right side, and you have yourself a colon in between. Okay. So we have our name value pair set up, and you kind of, this, as you know from other tutorials, the little curly or squigglies with our PyCharm editor are a nuance to me. I try to clean those up as much as possible. So we just fix that by fixing the spacing. Now we might say, well, how do we access the data inside of this dictionary? Well, if you remember our for loop, so for loop to iterate through this dictionary. So what we can do is we can create a for loop that looks like this for I in, and we're going to say colors, and in this case dot keys. So we're going to basically loop through the keys that are part of this dictionary. And what we'll do here, if we remember our syntax for our for clause from previous tutorials, we're going to indent underneath it after the colon, and we're going to print the value pairs. So let's do this. We'll say print, and you can see you can access both the key, which is the left side, that's the name of the value, and we can basically add on to it the I, so we know what number we're working with and see how many times through the loop we go if we want. And then we can say, well, let's get the value. And to get the value, we're going to now concatenate on the name of our dictionary object again and use get. And we want to get the item's value in the position I that we're working through. Okay, so let's double check that we have our proper syntax everywhere. We got key inside of quotation marks, concatenate on I, concatenate on value inside quotation marks, and then color.get. All looks pretty good. We also got some additional squigglies because it likes a space after our pound symbol. But let's run this and let's see if the dictionary works as intended. And it does. So down below, we see that our dictionary was looped through, and we see that color 1, color 2, and then the last one just says color. Inadvertently made a typo there, which happens. So if we fix that to color 3, another reason why we always test, verify the outcome looks legit now as what we intended, color 1, 2, and 3. That is how you work with a dictionary item in Python. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please consider subscribing, comments below, and also please feel free to recommend future tutorials if you would like. Thank you.